Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Many Android users do not realize that some apps on their phone have permission to access all files stored on the device. This includes your photos, videos, screenshots, PDFs, downloads, and even important personal documents. If an unnecessary or suspicious app has this permission, your private data could be exposed or misused. So in this video I will show you how to check which apps have all files access. Then I will explain when you should remove it and when you should keep it enabled. Let us start with the steps. First, open Settings on your phone. Now scroll down and tap on Privacy Protection. After that, tap on Special Permissions. Now scroll down until you find All Files Access. Tap on it. Here you will see the list of apps that are allowed to manage and access all files on your device. Carefully review this list. File Manager apps may require this permission. Backup apps may also need it, but games, wallpaper apps, or random tools usually do not need access to all your files. If you find any app that looks suspicious or unnecessary, tap on that app. Now toggle off Allow Access to manage all files. This will immediately remove full storage access from that app. Now let us quickly understand why this matters. With all files access enabled, an app can scan your entire storage. It may read personal photos. It may access downloaded documents. It may even modify or delete files. While most apps do not misuse this permission, it is always better to limit access only to trusted apps. Regularly checking special permissions like this helps protect your private data from unwanted exposure. That is how you manage all files access permission on Android. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Android privacy and security fixes.